How to log out Netflix on TV. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can log out of Netflix app on TV, so make sure to watch the video till the end. The problem with the Netflix app on TV is that it doesn't give you the logout or the sign out option, because I can prove it to you if I open the Netflix application here and then I just go ahead and then log into my account. You can see I do not have the logout button in this case. So how do I log out of my Netflix app on TV? Well, we're going to do this with the help of a feature on our TV. I'm assuming most of you are using an Android TV, right? So on Android TV, how it works is that you can just go to the settings page of your Android TV, which in my case is on the top right hand side, as you would be able to find the gear icon here. Once I go to the settings page on my Android TV, if I just scroll down over here, you should be able to find this option called apps. When you go to apps, you'll be able to find Netflix, and when you go to Netflix, you'll be able to find this option called clear data. When you click the clear data option, your app is going to get resetted automatically, and after that you can just go ahead and then log into some other accounts if you'd like. And that's all it takes to log out of Netflix app on TV. It doesn't give you the logout option by default natively, but you have to do it from your Android TV settings. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in our next video.